think I'm ready for my close-up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my third color from my monochromatic series. And if you guys want to see how I got this looking, you should continue to watch. So jumping right in, I already have my eyebrows done and the other eye done off camera. So I'm going to be jumping in and using my Jumbo Pencil from NYX. And this is in the color Milk, I think. I'll be forgetting all these names. And then I'm just going to blend that in. And I'm showing this in real time, you guys, because I didn't want to speed it up and the video is short. So yeah, I just kept it like that. I want to do it different. So then now I'm going to take this color from one of my BH Cosmetic palettes. And I'm taking this little white pale color and putting this in my eyebrow arch. And then I'm going to take this peachy color and that's going to be my transition for today. And I make sure to blend that in. I'm using a fluffy blending brush, and this is from Absolute Newyork and came in one of their little palette things. And I want to build that color up till I get the color that I want. And then I'm going to take these two colors to get the next color that I need. Now I was struggling to get this color. I don't know why I didn't want to come up, but you know, I made it work. I blended it in. And if you guys don't have these exact palettes, of course you can use similar colors from different palettes. I'm just showing you guys the colors that I used. And then I'm going to take this dark color and then I'm going to put this in my crease. I use a small brush first to get the color in there. And then I took another blending brush to buff that color out some more. And then I take a black to darken up that color just a little bit. I want to darken it, but not too dark. And I just blend it out even more. And then I take the color that I apply my second color and I just buff that color in to blend those colors together. Then I take my NYX eyeshadow base and I'm going to carve out my lid. I love carving out my lid. It just makes the shadows pop even more. And I'm going to be making like a cat or a full lid kind of cut. I don't know how to explain that. I hope I'm showing you guys in the video what I'm doing. And then I take these two colors and I popped them on first. And then for the next color, I take this color and I just blend that on their necks. And I blend those colors together. And then I took this color from the Absolute palette and I just darkened up that color a little bit more. And then I take a black from the same palette to darken up the crease. And I end up taking my finger because the color was not coming on there the way I wanted it. And I hope you guys don't hear sleep in my voice because I'm so sleepy. But next I take the eyeshadow base and I put this under my eye. And then I'm gonna go back in with the peach color that I applied as my transition. And I'm going to pat that on there. And then with a small smudge brush, I'm going to take the dark pink that I used and then I'm going to smoke that on top of that. And then I take the darker pink fuchsia color and then I'm going to put that on the outer edge. And then I'm going to take the black to darken it up, connecting it to the darker color at the top. And for my inner tear duct, I take this lighter pink and I just add that. I put a little of that lighter pink on the lid. I don't know where that clip is at, but that's what I did. And then I take a black liner and line my eye. And I'm showing you guys on camera how I do my liner. I am really struggling to put the liner on. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. And then off camera, I just added mascara and lashes. And this is the completed look, you guys. If you guys want to get more details, they will be down in the description box. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I think that's it. And like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.